If a garage door motor is running but the door isn't opening, there are several possible reasons for this issue. A damaged garage door opener, misaligned sensors, or a malfunctioning remote control could be the cause. To resolve the problem, start by checking the garage door opener. Access the opener and inspect the gear drive or trolley to see if it has broken down. Next, check the circuit board to ensure it's functioning properly. Additionally, verify that there's enough tension in the door chain. If any of these parts are damaged, it may be necessary to repair or replace them. If unsure, consider consulting a qualified professional to help diagnose the issue. It's also essential to check the alignment of the sensors, which are typically located near the floor on both sides of the door opening. Inspect the sensors and clean them if they're dirty, as misaligned or dirty sensors can prevent the door from opening. The remote control could also be the source of the problem. Try moving it closer to the garage door to ensure it's within range. Replace the batteries to rule out the possibility of drained batteries. Check the motor's antennae to ensure they're not broken or damaged, as this can prevent the door from receiving signals. If the issue persists, reset and reprogram the remote controller. By following these steps, it should be possible to identify and fix the problem with the garage door.